Hello everybody, it's Creepy Cats Nan here and I'm joined by Creepy Cat.
Hey guys.
Today we're going to look at a video about somebody who steals his mum's credit card for V-Bucks. Well, this is our reaction. Let's see what happens.
Yes, we're going to see what happens.
Hey guys, it's Fortnite Fun here, and today I'm gonna steal my mom's credit card so I can get free V-Bucks. Because, guys, I'm really poor and I don't have any money, and I really need to steal my mom's credit card so I can get some V-Bucks. Because as you guys can see, I just started the game. And all my friends keep calling me a loser.
He is a loser because he can't play
exactly.
Fortnite.
He's a loser for doing this.
Loser. Again, let's say deal.
Level 1. And I played one game today, and then everyone in my squad was making fun of me because I didn't have any cool outfits, and I didn't have a good pickaxe, and then they team killed me because I was such a noob, and I only have 17 experience.
He's an idiot.
Because they just killed me as soon as I landed. And it was because I was so poor and I didn't have any V-Bucks. So I really want to be able to get something cool like this, or this.
I really want the Love
this,
Ranger.
Or the Chomp Jr., or the Electric Stuff, or this. I really want this.
But you
one,
won't get it because you're banned from Fortnite. I haven't seen any videos from you.
And because they don't think I'm a noob, then I will be able to
God,
get
Jesus
wins.
Christ.
Oh my God, that was a wind,
Thanks for
everybody.
the door.
My friends
Thanks for
that
the
have
door
V-Bucks
closing.
because they keep making fun of me. So, I actually don't have any money to buy myself V-Bucks, and I don't have a battle pass either. They make fun of me for that too. But in order to get the stuff I want, I have to steal
to
my
grow up,
mom's
I
credit
think.
card. So I just wanted to make a video to show you guys that I stole my mom's credit card so I could get as many V-Bucks as I want. So I really want to get 1,000,000 V-Bucks, guys. I don't know how much that will cost, but I'm willing to charge as much as I want on my mom's credit card because she might get mad. I don't know if she'll get mad because she lets me buy Robux on Roblox, and she let me buy 1,000 Robux. So I think she'll let me buy 10,000 V-Bucks for $100. Oh my gosh! $100? I haven't even made that in my entire life for 10,000 V-Bucks.
Oh my God, guys, he's actually doing it. He's stealing his mum's credit cards. Let's continue on with the video.
Oh my gosh, guys. Alright, so I think I'm gonna get ready and steal my parents' credit card. My mom's credit card specifically, because my dad will get really mad, and I know he will because he gets
he
really
play
mad
acting?
a lot. And
What? Is he
so
acting?
I'm gonna go into
Or did
the
he actually
store,
do
and
this?
then I'm gonna click on
No,
10,000
look.
V-Bucks.
Look, he's clicking on it.
10,000
God.
V-Bucks plus 3,500 bonus for $100. I'm gonna buy this.
Look, guys, 10,000 V-Bucks right there. And 3,500 bonus.
This is in dollars. That's about £80 in
£80?
in our money.
Oh my God.
I know.
Right, let's continue on with the
100
video,
times,
guys.
so then I will have 1,000,000 V-Bucks.
Oh,
Alrighty, so purchase now.
no.
Alright, so we're gonna use a credit card because
How does
I
she...
need, I actually have my parents' credit card, specifically my mom's right now. My mom's name is Stacy,
He's actually topping it in.
But everybody else could copy this.
and
I know,
my
they could
address-
hack into her
I
account.
actually don't know
I
my
know.
address, so I'm gonna go and find
Why am
it
I
out
filming
right
this? Should I film something else and
now,
not
guys,
show
it
this?
is 564.
No.
No,
Oh,
538 Meadow Lane.
Oh no, seriously, you guys can see that.
And I live in Philadelphia.
Yes, Philadelphia.
I think I spelled that right, but I'm not sure. I actually looked it up, guys. I spelled it wrong. And my state is Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna find Pennsylvania right now. PA, there we go. And my zip code is 25725. Alrighty guys, so here's the part where I enter my mommy's credit card. So
Don't say the
the
number.
credit card number
No.
is 4037
No.
7256
Can't be real.
8254 0093.
He did it
Alright, so
wrong.
that is my mom's
He
credit
did the
card.
number wrong.
And
Has he?
now I have to enter the CVV at the back.
Sure
so
you won't
that
say
is
this.
624, and it expires on 04.
This is not for real. I don't think,
2020.
Harrison. You wouldn't put all
Alright,
that
guys,
information on
so
there.
now I've entered my mom's credit card, and we're gonna do this 100 different times so I can have 1,000,000 V-Bucks, because when I have 1,000,000 V-Bucks, I will be the coolest kid in the school. Everyone will praise me because I have so much V-Bucks, and I will have all of the cool gear and everything in the battle pass.
Guys, I bet he'll be at school and he tells all his friends that, guys, I've got 1,000,000 V-Bucks, and they'll be like wondering, how did you get 1,000,000 V-Bucks? And then he'll be like, oh, I just stole my mum's credit card to buy it.
Alrighty guys, so let's do this. I'm going to buy it right now. Wait, why won't it work?
Okay, guys, I know why it ain't working. Look, if you can see that's red, the credit card number's red, he's done it wrong. That's why it ain't working. Is he blind? Someone get this guy some glasses, bro.
I think he needs a brain.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get it, but it won't work. I want to be the richest person in Fortnite. Why won't it save?
Jonas, did you steal
Oh
your
no,
mother's
did
credit
that
card?
here?
No,
Oh, he hasn't
promise
done
I
it then.
didn't.
He
Then
hasn't
why
done
is
it.
it in your hand right now? Give me your mother's credit card
Yeah,
right
it's-
now.
No, he
I'm
hasn't.
sorry,
It didn't go
Daddy.
through.
I'm sorry. I'll give it back. I just wanted V-Bucks.
Hasn't gone
no,
through.
don't turn off my computer. No!
It didn't go through.
Okay. I don't know what to say, guys, but he's banned for Fortnite and he's only done 2 videos, and he only had 2 subscribers. But someone called Mr. Top 5 reacted to this video, and everybody subscribed to him. Look, 25,000 subscribers. Look. And I don't know what to say. Tell you what, guys, to make things right, let's all go to this guy's channel and subscribe to him. And he'll be like, oh my gosh, did that really happen? So let's all go to his channel and subscribe to him. Fortnite Fun. Okay, so make sure you pause this bit so you can see what his profile looks like. And you can try and find it. And yeah, now, do you want to say?
Well, I think he's a complete idiot.
Yes.
You must never, ever, ever do this. But it didn't go through because it was all in red. So he actually didn't do it.
No, not everything, just the credit card number.
Yes, but it hasn't gone through. But I think he's an idiot. He needs to grow up. If I was his mother, that's what I would say. And I would ban him from everything.
Yeah.
That's what I think, Creepy Cat.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, I'm going to say goodbye now. Bye, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye, guys.
See you soon.